Hi everyone, welcome to the second episode of the series Self Grooming, that is mental health. आपको जान के हैरानी होगी कि हर 10 इंसान में एक इंसान is suffering from some or the other mental health disorder. Why do we suffer from mental health disorder? Because we overthink. ऐसा होगा तो क्या होगा, वैसा होगा तो क्या होगा. And overthink causes stress and anxiety, in turn causing depression, addiction issues and even suicidal tendencies. In this competitive world, stress and anxiety is very common. If you notice, we are usually thinking about our past or else worried about our future. We have forgotten to live in the moment. Let's see what our experts want to suggest about it.
Hi. We all go through various emotions like anger, fear, worry, jealousy, regret, etc. But let me tell you, as a counselor and a therapist, all these emotional situations are nothing but stories created by our mind and given to us. And as long as we live in the stories, we keep feeling miserable because we love to remain in those stories. They are nothing but imaginary stories by our mind. So here's a quick therapy how to live in the present moment and not live in the stories. So I will now be teaching you very quickly how to use our 5 senses and live in the moment. Living in the moment will bring you more peace and happiness within. So let's begin and do it with me. So gently close your eyes and I now want you to pay attention to see what you are seeing, to listen to what you are listening, smell what you are smelling, taste what you are tasting, and feel what you are feeling. Just notice all this in the present moment. That's really wonderful. So by now you have learned how to live in the present moment, and I hope it helps. You may wish to do this as many times you wish.
I hope you follow this amazing 5 senses mindfulness technique. धीरे धीरे आप इसका ड्यूरेशन बढ़ा सकते हैं. Mindfulness and meditation not only reduces our stress and anxiety, but it increases our focus and attention, keeps us energetic and young, as well as happy and calm. Meditation and mindfulness reduces our stress hormone, that is cortisol, and increases our happy and calm hormones like GABA, serotonin, oxytocin and dopamine level in our brain. Now it's time for some great bonus tips. Reading, dancing, music, exercise, spending time with pets. These are great stress busters. To know more, you can check my previous series, Heal Yourself. Proper sleep is very important for good physical and mental health. Try to avoid electronic gadgets at least 1 hour before sleeping. Bathing with warm water and reading helps quality sleep. Have balanced diet. Deficiency of some minerals or iron deficiency or B12 deficiency can cause low mood or even insomnia. Have plenty of sunlight. It's a great source of vitamin D. Good for your body, mind and soul. Cultivate a hobby like painting, dancing, cooking, music, whatever you like. It keeps us happy, energetic and young. Socialize, connect with others or even talk to a therapist. It will help you to reduce your stress and anxiety. Guys, take care of your health. Health is wealth. See you in our next episode, that is on fitness. Till then, take care, keep shining, keep smiling.